Hi guys, Reuel's surprise package is going to arrive today. The delivery guy just called me. They are on their way to deliver the package. I'm waiting for them. Reuel is gone to school, so I'm waiting for him as well. Once he comes, we'll capture his reaction on how he reacts on the gift. So it is going to be an amazing video guys. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then see that you subscribe. So here comes the package. So let's welcome the delivery guys. They have done a great job in delivering the package. This gift is actually Reuel's birthday gift from his mom and dad. But since Reuel's birthday come in the Christmas vacation, he could not celebrate it in school. So today he is celebrating it in school. So he's gone to school in casual clothes.
Hoo hoo hoo! I'm excited to see what Reuel does when he sees his surprise gift.
So guys, I'm going to keep the package in the living room, and when Reuel comes back from school, we'll capture his reaction. So guys, I'm come to pick up Reuel. His bus will be arriving anytime now. So this is the place where his bus will come.
You could see me?
And you were there. What type of vlog you were doing?
Wait. Open the gate and go. Open the and inside one is there. Only one gate enough. Go inside. Yes, it is your birthday gift from your Mama and Dada.
What is this? I love it.
Okay, first you change your clothes, then we'll open it.
Could be in the box. Boss of the box. I am the boss of the box. Let's open the box. It looks like they are coming out of snakes. It's a new bicycle.
Remove them, remove. No plastic.
First we'll have to test.
Yeah?
We'll have to
What
test.
is it?
It's a bicycle. Oh no, it's too strong. Oh, it's connected. I guess I have to call my data. I need to work out, I think, more. Now it is time to cut the zip tie. Now it's time to fill up the ties with air. cycle.
Slowly, huh?
Thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. And see you again. Bye and take care.